Hey guys, Jake from State Fun. Today we're going to be putting together a 7x7 Rubbermaid shed. We actually tore this down in a rental property of ours and loaded up on the trailer, brought it here, so we're going to kind of flatten out the spot, lay down the pavers, and then start building the shed back up. Come look at the center section. What do you think? All these back. So just to give y'all a quick little overview, we got this shed from a rental property that we purchased not too long ago, and it wasn't really doing any good there for us. We weren't storing a whole lot of stuff inside of it, so went ahead and cleared it out, got everything taken apart, hauled up here, and as y'all saw in the time lapse, we went ahead and put it together here. If you notice in the time lapse, we had set the pavers down and we had a little bit of divot in the lay of the land there, and that proved to be a lot more of a problem than I originally thought. Looking back, it obviously makes sense, but hindsight's 20/20. So we ended up having to pull all the pavers back up and come in with the Kubota and do a little bit of grading as best as I'm capable of, which is very minimal. But I think we got it fairly flat. There's a few little spots where it's got some gaps from where it's not completely level, but I think it'll work out just fine. It's kind of a temporary shed until we get the house built and everything anyways. So now we're gonna put a couple old shelving units and stuff that we've got and start loading up some junk. Well, that took a whole lot longer than expected. Thanks for watching the process though, guys. I know it was just a big time lapse and then me talking at the end, but it was a fun project and I hope y'all enjoyed. If you like it, like the video down below, subscribe for more content coming up, and y'all have a good one.